So today I'm going to show you 5 ways to overcome one of the largest pain points within the CBD and hemp industry, specifically marketing and revenue generation. Hey guys, Henry Mashman here, Senior Sales Executive at TouchSuite, specializing in CBD and hemp. In just a moment here, I'm going to go over a few ways that you can overcome one of the largest pain points in the CBD and hemp industry, which is marketing and revenue generation. But make sure you stay all the way towards the end, because not only is there going to be a bonus offering, but you should also make sure to like and subscribe for future content as well. In the CBD and hemp industry, it's no secret that one of the largest pain points that most business owners and operators face is marketing and revenue generation because of how large and how saturated the industry has gone. That's why today we're going to talk about 5 different key ways in which you can overcome this pain point, and not only overcome, but use it to take your business to the next level in the future. Make sure you stay here all the way till the end, because we're also going to have a bonus reward, but you should also like and subscribe for future content. So one of the most effective ways that you can basically overcome the biggest pain point, or one of the biggest pain points in the CBD and hemp industry for marketing and revenue generating, is either joining a massive newsletter of a big blogging company, or also going ahead and joining a certain type of association, alliance, or group. And the whole entire idea around this concept is to be able to not only exemplify your products, but to also give the story of who are the individuals, who is the owner, who are the people behind this brand. And the way in which you can do that is when you're within an association or you're a part of a newsletter, you can actually put a lot of content and a lot of conversations more around who you are, why you're building these products, and the target of consumers that you're attempting and trying to go for. So one of the second ways that you can overcome one of the largest pain points within the CBD and hemp industry is actually going ahead and trying different types of content creation and podcasts. And the reason to do this specifically on the content creation side is, in an industry where everyone is trying the same marketing things, if you have the ability to show yourself off on a different social media outlet, or with maybe some video or newspaper stint, you can actually put yourself in an area where not a lot of other CBD companies are putting a lot of money efforts in, and that can actually drag interest from a lot of different people that don't go to the normal places where you try to find CBD products. And on the podcast side, I've noticed a lot of the people that I'm starting to work with and people that I've worked with in the past actually do podcasts with different industry types and different verticals types. And the whole objective here is you don't want to be like the other CBD and hemp companies that are sending email marketing and the same type of revenue generating kind of ideas to the same demographic. You want to try and attempt to target people outside of that, so you can gain new customer acquisition through some other individuals that other companies aren't marketing to. Before I talk and speak about the last few items, make sure to like and subscribe to this video and stay all the way till the end, because we're going to have a secret little bonus reward for the individuals that stay all the way till the end. So the third way that you could potentially overcome one of the largest pain points within the CBD and hemp industry, which we all know is marketing and revenue generation, is either through influence marketing or affiliate channels. But I'm not talking about going for the A-list actors, the top-end athletes, or any of those types of individuals. I'm actually talking about going to more localized influencers. For example, there was a company in Florida that decided to actually go for one of the largest and most popular ice cream shops in South Florida. And what they decided to do is create some type of partnership where one of the products at that ice cream shop actually had their Delta 8 and Delta 9 infused in it. And from my perspective, it's one of the first times I've ever seen the company or anyone within the CBD and hemp industry do that. And I thought it was very interesting until a few months later, I actually saw that one ice cream product on their e-commerce. And I already know that that one product, because nobody else has really done it at that point in time, generated a ton of sales for that specific business operator. So one of the last ways to overcome, the massive pain point of marketing and revenue generation within the CBD and hemp industry is actually one of the simpler ones, and it is finding the correct revenue generation company. I've been in the industry for some time, not like most players, and I've been lucky and unlucky enough to come across some of the revenue generating players in the industry. And I can tell you about 95% of the players that state that are actually not well equipped to generate your revenue. And the reason that we know this at a company like TouchSuite is because we actually do the payment processing for a few of these companies, and we can actually tell month by month which ones are growing, and that obviously means that they're making more revenue than whatever solution and service that they're selling to individuals like you is actually working. So if you want to be connected to the correct revenue generating company, please make sure to like, subscribe this video, and stay all the way till the end so you can receive my contact information to find the right party for you. So one of the last ways that you can overcome one of the largest pain points in the CBD and hemp industry, which is marketing and revenue generation, is going and targeting retail businesses that are outside the normal demographic of what CBD and hemp companies target, which, as we all know, is convenience stores, smoke stores, and regular alternative wellness stores. You want to focus on targeting some outside of that. Some examples for you are spas, physical therapy centers, some gyms, some chiropractic offices. And again, you want to make sure you're targeting the edible side because it's one of the most popular products within CBD and hemp. But you want to make sure you're targeting some of those ice cream stores that I mentioned earlier, or some of these candy stores that have some of the synergies within the CBD and hemp, but not synergies as a business, but actually have synergies from the consumers that are showing up to their locations to make purchases. So not only do they make the retail purchase, but they actually go ahead and make a purchase of your CBD and hemp product, which then later on just generates their self-interest as a consumer to go to your web URL and hopefully and potentially, if it's a good product, make a purchase again in the future, and then you can keep a consumer for life as a customer. Thank you for making it all the way to the end today, guys. Hopefully I didn't bore you too much and you're still awake around this part of the video. Hopefully, because we do have a bonus coming up, and I'm more than happy to reward you with that bonus, which is going to be 1 free hour of any type of education or consultation with me. It could be about your payments. It could be about different marketing and revenue trends. It could be about different SKUs. It could literally be about anything that you want, but please make sure to either look in the bio below for my contact information, or please go to TouchSuite.com, go to the CBD tab, enter your information, and I'll make sure to contact you so we have a quick one-on-one conversation and see where else we can help you besides your payments. Thank you again, and hope to talk to you soon.